Avoid these 5 things if you want to make the basketball team. Number 1. Dribbling as soon as you catch the ball. Number 2. Being too cool to dive for loose balls. Number 3. Cheating on your team sprints. Number 4. Being the fancy and missing layups. Number 5. Trying to play like James Harden. Host. Basketball is a team sport, and communication is key. Always talk to your teammates, call out screens, and let them know where you are on the court. Good communication leads to better teamwork and more wins. Closing scene. Cut back to the host on the court, holding the basketball. Host. So there you have it, 5 common basketball mistakes to avoid. Focus on these tips, and you'll see improvement in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the court.